Hey guys, this is Tyler from Motion Array, and today I am super excited to announce a new feature that we have available to all of our paying members. Aside from being able to download our awesome products, you now have the ability to create a beautiful, responsive video portfolio site that uses your own custom URL without the need of video hosting, web hosting, or some other clumsy website building service. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to create a beautiful video portfolio site in a matter of minutes. Let's get started. Alright, so here we are on the Motion Array site, and I'm already logged in, so I'm just going to come up to My Account and down to My Portfolio. Now, here is where you change various settings for your portfolio, including your URL, the title, the description, and your contact email. Now, I'm just going to use the post.pro URL, but you can add in your own custom URL if you want. So I'm just going to add animation. So now the domain for my portfolio will be animation.post.pro. I'm going to click Save Changes, and there we go. Now, I want to upload some videos, so I'm just going to come down to My Uploads, and here I'm just going to create a new project. Let's call this Project 01. I'm going to click Save and Continue. And now I'm just going to find my projects that I want to be included on my portfolio. And let's say I'll just start with this one first. I'm going to drag and drop the video here. And here I'm just going to write a quick description. This is my description. And under tags, that's optional, so I'm not going to put anything there. So while this one's uploading, I'm going to go ahead and upload my project number 2. And click Save and Continue, and just drop in my other video. And while that's uploading, I'm going to write another description here. And while that one is encoding, I'm going to add one more video. So Project 03. Drag my last video in, and I'll write something else here. You get the idea, I think. All right, so now we have all of our videos uploading, and the first two are processing at the moment. And soon we'll be able to pick a thumbnail for these videos that will display on our portfolio. All right, so my first video has finished encoding, so I'm going to click Save and Continue. And now I'm just going to pick the thumbnail that I would like to use. I think I will choose this one here, and I'm going to click Save. So now we have saved our first project. And now we just repeat the same process for these other two videos here. I see that this first one up here has finished encoding, so I'm going to click Save and Continue, and I'm going to choose a nice thumbnail. I like that one. So I'm going to save that one. And now my last one has finished, so I'm going to click Save and Continue, and I will pick, let's see, this thumbnail here. All right, so now we've uploaded our 3 videos. Let's go back to the My Portfolio tab, and let's come down to the Edit My Portfolio button. So after clicking that, you'll see a placeholder website here that is now populated with our 3 videos. So the first thing I want to change is this logo up here. So I'm just going to delete that out, and I'm going to come into my images, and I'm going to drop in my logo. And I'm going to click Save because, I don't want to lose any of my changes. Next thing I want to do is replace this image back here. So I'm going to delete that out. So I'm just going to click on the upload button, and that's the one. Click OK. And I don't like this framing, so I'm going to edit it. I'm going to bring this down a little bit and click Confirm, and let's see what we have. All right, that's looking much better. Now, I don't like this right here, so I'm just going to click and change this to an awesome production company. And I'm going to click Save down here. Now you'll notice that my logo and this color here do not match. So I'm going to pull up this color picker, and I'm going to change it more towards a deeper blue color. Something in this area. So I'm going to click Save again. And you know, I don't like this quote right here. So I'm actually going to get rid of the whole thing. So I'm just going to click right here on text wrap, and it's going to hide that entire section. And I'll click save again. And now it's looking pretty good, but let's say I want to change these out. So I'm just going to delete all of those, find my images here. And let's see, I'll drag that one in the middle. That one looks pretty good over here. And lastly, let's say I'll drop this one in here. All right, so that's looking pretty good. If you wanted to, you could click on any of this text and change it to whatever you like, but I'm just going to leave it for now. And lastly, down here at the bottom, we have these different client logos, and I want to delete these and change them out. So I'm just going to click on the trash can, and let's say I want to add 5. So I'll just click the add button 5 times. So now I want to bring back my images, and I'm just going to drag and drop my logos into the drop zone. And I'm going to click save. All right, the next thing I want to do is come down here and let's say change this text to my awesome company. You can change the address to whatever you like. Click save. And over here we have different social network links. And in order to change those, you just click right here where it says manage social networks. And here is where you put in the different URLs to the social networks that you are a part of. And as soon as you add a URL, it will populate down here. So the next thing you can do is actually come into the projects page. So I'm going to click on project 03, and you'll notice that our player is automatically colored to the same color that we chose on the home page. And down here on our description, it's also editable. So I'm going to highlight that, change it to an H3, and maybe make it bold. And make sure I click save. So let's go ahead and come back to our Motion Array account, and I'm just going to click on View My Portfolio. Now you can see that we're viewing our portfolio on our custom animation.post.pro URL, and everything is working and looking beautiful. So there you go. That's how easy it is to create a new, responsive video portfolio using the New Portfolio tool on the Motion Array website. Thank you so much for watching, and we cannot wait to see what you guys build.